Welcome to the summary video of Utilitarian Labs Recruitment and Staffing Solution, a Salesforce-powered system designed to manage the complete lifecycle of your staffing operations from client acquisition to candidate placement. Most traditional staffing solutions focus solely on the ATS layer. But in real-world operations, the staffing journey begins long before resumes are submitted. Our solution is different. It's built to cover the entire staffing lifecycle, starting from new client onboarding, through account and vacancy management, and finally leading to our enhanced ATS, which we call the Recruiter Portal. Let's take a quick walkthrough of how each module works together, in the same flow your business follows on the ground. We begin with new client onboarding, which is primarily handled by the sales team. Whether your lead originates from a referral, a field agent, your website, or an industry event, our platform captures it. Sales executives can either manually log the leads, or leads can also flow in system from integrated digital sources. From there, the lead is nurtured through predefined lifecycle stages, qualification, proposal sharing, and contract negotiation. Our solution automates follow-ups, task assignments, and internal approvals. Proposals can be generated with a single click, reviewed by legal and finance, and shared directly with the client. When finalized, contracts are sent through DocuSign, completing the process with speed and compliance. Once the contract is signed, the client is officially on board. At this point, responsibility shifts from the sales team to the account manager. The account manager becomes the primary point of contact for the client from here on. From their dedicated dashboard, the account manager can monitor key metrics, such as open vacancies, submitted candidates, pending feedback, and SLAs. The system also triggers scheduled tasks for follow-ups, review meetings, or reporting checkpoints, helping the account manager stay proactive in account growth. When a new opportunity or job requirement arises, the account manager creates a job record within the platform and assigns it to a recruiter. This marks the transition into the Recruiter Portal, our next module, and the core of delivery. This is where our solution truly breaks away from traditional ATS tools. While most ATS platforms provide only resume filtering and keyword search, our Recruiter Portal introduces a two-layered screening process that enhances both quality and candidate conversion rate. In the first layer, recruiters shortlist candidates based on resume-level filters, experience, skills, location, education. But instead of submitting these profiles directly to clients at this stage itself as done by traditional ATS, candidates are subjected to a conversational bot-led interview built into our platform. This bot-led interview solution is custom AI-led solution which has capacity to dramatically change candidate selection ratio from 10 to 15% to 40 to 45%. Let's see how. As part of second-level screening, candidates are sent screening link. This screening is nothing but a pre-interview by staffing agencies ahead of real client interview. In this screening, the conversational bot dynamically asks specific domain questions. Responses are automatically transcribed, analyzed, and scored for accuracy, fluency, and relevance. Recruiters then receive a detailed screening report, including question-by-question scoring, AI-detected patterns or concerns, and a video link of the full interview. So now, when a recruiter shares a candidate with the client, it's not just a resume, it's a full evaluation pack. The client receives context, what was already asked, how the candidate responded, and what remains to be assessed in their next round. This not only shortens the client interview cycle but also improves decision quality, since hiring managers can focus only on unexplored areas rather than repeating the same questions. Post-interview, the interviewer can submit feedback directly from their email itself. Alternatively, recruiters can request interview feedback through the system. Once the feedback is submitted, recruiters can discuss the outcome with the candidate and mark them as placed. This step marks the completion of the recruitment cycle in our solution. The Recruiter Portal also helps recruiters manage their day, track open vacancies, candidate statuses, pending interviews, and KPIs through a role-specific dashboard designed to drive daily efficiency and quality submissions. What you've just heard is a high-level overview of how Utilitarian Labs delivers a complete recruitment and staffing solution, starting from the sales team's lead capture, to account manager-led relationship handling, and finally to recruiter-driven candidate delivery. To learn how each module works in detail, we invite you to watch the rest of the videos in this playlist. Each episode walks you through one module, showing screen recordings, use cases, and automation in action. And if you are ready for a personalized walkthrough of how this solution can fit your business, get in touch with us today. Let's build the future of staffing together.